Hi everyone, my name is Nasir. I'm from Science Centre Singapore and you are watching Science What? Today we are at Future Makers, an exhibition which features engineering marvels. Engineers are the brains behind engineering marvels. But what do you think they look like? Like this? This? Or this? Well, engineers can be like any one of them. They are creative thinkers who make our lives better and a whole lot more convenient. An engineer's work can be seen almost everywhere in your daily lives, from the food we eat, the medicine we take, the buildings we occupy, and roads we use. The engineering process circles around 6 main steps: define, imagine, choose, test, improve, and create. Let me take you around the Future Makers exhibition. A 50-cent microscope. Shall we check this out? Dr. Manu Prakash is an associate professor of bioengineering at Stanford University. Together with his team, he created the Foldscope, a microscope which is created from paper and a tiny lens. Now, the question is, why? These conventional microscopes are usually quite expensive and not portable as they are designed for lab use. These bioengineers wanted to make an affordable microscope with the hopes of revolutionizing some healthcare practices. It can also be used as a fun tool to discover the microscopic world around us. This little pocket microscope can be used in the field to detect common pathogens such as malaria in blood samples or bacteria in water from where a disease is spreading. It can also be used to detect fake currencies. Due to its simplicity and affordability, over 1 million Foldscopes have been distributed to more than 135 countries as of the year 2020. Let's make one and find out if it works. We hope this has inspired you to use your creativity to solve real-life problems and become one of our future makers. And that's how you make science come alive. Thank you for watching our video. If you have enjoyed watching our video, do remember to like and share with your family and friends. Don't forget to click the subscribe button and the bell icon to stay updated. Bye!